Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook chicken gizzard. This is my chicken gizzard. It's frozen. You find it in your local grocery store. I found mine at Safe on Food. All I'm gonna need is vegetable oil. I have my spices here. I have salt, I have cumin, I have black pepper, cinnamon, paprika and garlic powder, and here I have my tomato sauce. I have 3 onions here and some water. So we're gonna start first by sauteing the onion. Now I'm gonna add my oil. I'm gonna put the onion, and then we're gonna start saute our onion. And then we will cook the onion until the onion softens a little bit. Then we will start adding our gizzard and spices. See, the onion is already cooked, it's softened enough. So I'm gonna put all my spices: paprika, cinnamon, garlic, cumin, salt and black pepper. By doing this, I will have all the flavor from my spices into my oil. And then I'm adding my chicken gizzard. Mix it well. I love the smell of onion and garlic. And I'm adding now my tomato sauce. You can use tomato paste too. And I will add water, just enough to cover all the gizzard. And I will leave it to cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now the gizzard is ready. Oh, it looks delicious. And I'm gonna serve it with rice. Here you go. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.